provided to my instructor, Mr. Elliot Chan Aja. I am Jhoan Mae, Rioja, a first-year student of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Today, I will gonna discuss to you the Chapter 6, which is the innovative technology for assessment tasks in learning and teaching. Assessment, learning, and teaching are closely related and interwoven because it provided information that determine effective instruction. The use of technology plays a vital role in assisting teacher how to access student learning. So, in this video, I'm gonna focus to discussing the Lesson 1, which is the ICT and assessment for learning. Assessment is very important in student learning. There are many approaches in assessment of learning with an emphasis on the processes of learning along with the product of learning. The ultimate measure of the student competence is performance. Development in information and communication technology has thrown open numerous possibilities for assessing student learning and providing immediate feedback. So, what is assessment? It is a process of identifying, gathering, and interpreting information about student learning. So, let's proceed to the type of assessment. So, let's proceed now to the various type of assessment. So, assessment can be classified into various types or approaches based on the purpose of which it is designed. Assessment can be classified into four, which are informative assessment, summative assessment, the third one is diagnostic assessment, and the last one is authentic assessment. So now let's proceed to the first various of assessment, which is the formative assessment. So formative assessment provides feedback and information during the instructional process, while learning is taking place and while learning is occurring. So in this formative assessment, it can help teacher to understand student progress in their level of understanding during a unit of instruction. So some of the example of formative assessment, which are the 1-minute essay and the 4-corner assessment. So the second various type of assessment is summative assessment. So summative assessment take place after the learning has been completed and provide information and feedback that sum up the teaching and learning process. So in this summative assessment has a purpose to let the teacher and the student know the level of accomplished attainment. So some of the example of summative assessment are the unit test, midterm, exams, and the final exams. So now let's proceed to the third various type of assessment, which is the diagnostic assessment. So when we say diagnostic assessment, it can help you to identify your student current knowledge of a subject, their skill set and capabilities, and to clarify misconception before teaching taking place. So in this assessment, it is designed to locate specific learning deficiency in case of the specific individuals at the stage of learning. So some example of diagnostic assessment are pre-test, self-assessment, and interviews. So now let's proceed to the last various type of assessment, which is the authentic assessment. So when we say authentic assessment, it describes the multiple form of assessment that reflect student learning, achievement, motivation, and attitude on instructionally relevant classroom activities. So from this assessment, it usually include a phase for a student to perform the rubric by which their performance in a task will be evaluated. So some of the example of authentic assessment are experiment, demonstration, and projects. So that's all the discussion about the Chapter 6 Lesson 1, and I hope you learned something about ICT and assessment for learning. So thank you so much for listening and be safe out there. Bye!